Unit 13 Amines. The chief commercial use of amines is as intermediates in the synthesis of medicines and fibers. Amines constitute an important class of organic compounds derived by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia molecule by alkyl or aryl groups. In nature, they occur among proteins, vitamins, alkaloids, and hormones. Synthetic examples include polymers, dyestuffs, and drugs. Two biologically active compounds, namely adrenaline and ephedrine, both containing secondary amino group, are used to increase blood pressure. Novocaine, a synthetic amino compound, is used as an anesthetic in the industry. Benadryl, a well-known antihistaminic drug, also contains tertiary amino group. Quaternary ammonium salts are used as surfactants. Diazonium salts are intermediates in the preparation of a variety of aromatic compounds, including dyes. In this unit, you will learn about amines and diazonium salts. Amines are considered as derivatives of ammonia, obtained by replacement of one or more or all three hydrogen atoms by alkyl or aryl groups. Structure of amines. Like ammonia, nitrogen atom of amines is trivalent and carries an unshared pair of electrons. Nitrogen orbitals in amines are therefore sp3 hybridized, and the geometry of amines is pyramidal. Each of three sp3 hybridized orbitals of nitrogen overlap with orbitals of hydrogen or carbon depending upon the composition of the amines. The fourth orbital of nitrogen in all amines contains an unshared pair of electrons. Due to the presence of unshared pair of electrons, the angle CNE, where E is C or H, is less than 109.5 degree. For instance, it is 108 in case of trimethylamine as shown. Classification. Amines are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary depending upon the number of hydrogen atoms replaced by alkyl or aryl groups in ammonia molecule. If one hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by R, we get RNH2 or ARNH2, a primary amine. If two hydrogen atoms of ammonia or one hydrogen atom of RNH2 are replaced by another alkyl aryl group, what do you get? You get RNHR dash. Secondary amine. The second alkyl aryl group may be same or different. Replacement of another hydrogen atom by alkyl aryl group leads to the formation of tertiary amine. Amines are said to be simple when all alkyl or aryl groups are the same and mixed when they are different. Nomenclature. In common system, an aliphatic amine is named by prefixing alkyl group to amine. Alkyl amine as one word. Example, methylamine. In secondary and tertiary amines, when two or more groups are the same, the prefix di or tri is appended before the name of alkyl group. In IUPAC system, primary amines named as alkylamines. The name is derived by replacement of E of alkane by the word amine. For example, CH3NH2 is named as methanamine. In case more than one amino group is present at different positions in the parent chain, their position are specified by giving numbers to the carbon atoms bearing NH2 group, and suitable prefix such as di, tri, etc. is attached to the amine. The letter E of the suffix of the hydrocarbon part is retained. For example, H2NCH2, CH2NH2 is named ethane 1,2-diamine. The name secondary and tertiary amines we use locant N to designate substituent attached to a nitrogen atom. For example, CH3NHCH2, CH3 is named as N-methyl ethanamine, and CH3CH3 whole twice N is named as N-diethyl ethanamine. More examples are given. In aryl amines, NH2 group is directly attached to the benzene ring. C6H5NH2 is the simplest example of aryl amine. In common system, it is known as aniline. It is also accepted as the IUPAC name. While naming aryl amines according to IUPAC system, suffix E of arene is replaced by amine. Thus, in IUPAC system, C6H5NH2 is named as benzene amine, Common and IUPAC names of some alkyl amines and aryl amines are given. Preparation of amines. Amines are prepared by following methods. Reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are reduced to amines by passing hydrogen gas in the presence of finely divided nickel, palladium, or platinum, and also a reduction with metals in acidic medium. Nitroalkones can also be similarly reduced to corresponding alkylamines. Reduction with iron scrap and hydrochloric acid is preferred because FeCl2 gets hydrolyzed to release hydrochloric acid during the reaction. Thus, only for a small amount of hydrochloric acid is required to initiate the reaction. Ammonolysis of alkyl halides. You have read that the carbon halogen bond in alkyl or benzyl halides can be easily cleaved by a nucleophile. Hence, an alkyl or benzyl halide on reaction with an ethyloic solution of ammonia undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction in which halogen atom is placed by an amino group. This process of cleavage of the CX bond by ammonia molecule is called ammonolysis. The reaction is carried out in a sealed tube at T73 Kelvin. The primary amine thus obtained behaves as a nucleophile and can further react with alkyl halide to form secondary and tertiary amines and finally quaternary ammonium salt. The free amine can be obtained from the ammonium salt by treatment with a strong base. Ammonolysis has the disadvantage of yielding a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines and also a quaternary ammonium salt. However, primary amine is obtained as a major product by taking large excess of ammonia. The order of reactive halides with amines is Ri is greater than Rbr is greater than Rcl. Reduction of nitriles. Nitriles on reduction with lithium aluminium hydride or catalytic hydrogenation produce primary amines. This reaction is used for ascent of amine series, that is for preparation of amines containing one carbon atom more than the starting amine. Reduction of amides. The amides of reduction with a lithium aluminium hydride yield amines. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Gabriel synthesis is used for preparation of primary amines. Phthalimide on treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide forms potassium salt of phthalimide, which on heating with alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis produces the corresponding primary amine. Aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution with the anion found by phthalimide. Hoffman bromide degradation reaction. Hoffman developed a method of preparation of primary amines by treating an amide with bromine in an aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide. In this degradation reaction, migration of an alkyl or aryl group takes place from carbonyl carbon of the amide to the nitrogen atom. The amine so formed contains one carbon less than that present in the amide. Physical properties. The lower aliphatic amines are gases with fishy odor. Primary amines with 3 or more carbon atoms are liquid and still higher ones are solid. Aniline and other aryl amines are usually colorless but get colored on storage due to atmospheric oxidation. Lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water because they can form hydrogen bonds with water molecules. However, solubility decreases with increase in molar mass of amines due to increase in size of the hydrophobic alkyl part. Higher amines are essentially insoluble in water. Considering the electronegativity of hydrogen of amine and oxygen of alcohol as 3.0 and 3.5 respectively, you can predict the pattern of solubility of amines and alcohols in water. Out of butanol and butanamine, which of these will be more soluble in water and why? Amines are soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, ether and benzene. You may remember that alcohols are more polar than amines and form stronger intermolecular hydrogen bonds than amines. Primary and secondary amines are engaged in intermolecular association due to hydrogen bonding between nitrogen of one and hydrogen of another molecule. This intermolecular association is more in primary amines than in secondary amines, as there are 2 hydrogen atoms available for hydrogen bond formation in it. Tertiary amines do not have intermolecular association due to the absence of hydrogen atom available for hydrogen bond formation. Therefore, the order of boiling points of isomeric amines is as follows. Primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding in primary amines is shown. Boiling points of amines and alcohols are almost same and molar mass are shown. Chemical reactions. Difference in electronegativity between nitrogen and hydrogen atoms and presence of unshared pair of electrons over the nitrogen atom makes amines reactive. The number of hydrogen bonds atoms attached to nitrogen atom also decides the course of reaction of amines. That is why primary NH2, secondary NH and tertiary amines differ in many reactions. Moreover, amines behave as nucleophiles due to the presence of unshared pair of electrons. Some of the reactions are given below. Basic characters of amines. Amines, being basic in nature, react with acids to form salt. Amine salts on treatment with a base like NaOH regenerate the parent amine. RNH3X plus OH gives RNH2 plus H2 plus X. Amine salts are soluble in water but insoluble in organic solvent like ether. This reaction is the basis of separation of amines from the non-basic organic compounds soluble in water. The reaction of amines with mineral acids to form ammonium salts shows that these are basic in nature. Amines have unshared pair of electron on nitrogen atom due to which they behave as Lewis base. Basic character of amines can be better understood in terms of their Kb and pKb values explained below. Larger the Kb or smaller the value of pKb, stronger is the base. The pKa values of amines are given. The pKb value of ammonia is 4.75. Aliphatic amines have stronger bases than ammonium due to +1 effect of alkyl groups leading to high electron density on the nitrogen atom. Their pKb values lie in the range of 3 to 4.22. On the other hand, aromatic amines are weaker bases than ammonia due to electron withdrawing nature of the aryl group. You may find some discrepancies while trying to interpret the Kb values of amines on the basis of +I or -I effect of the substituents present in amines. Besides inductive effect, there are other effects like solvation effects, steric hindrance, which affect the basic strength of amines. Just ponder over, you may get the answer of the following paragraphs. Structure, basicity, relationship of amines. Basicity of amines is related to their structure. Basic character of an amine depends upon the ease of formation of cation by accepting a proton from the acid. The more stable the cation is relative to the amine, more basic is the amine. Alkyl amines versus ammonia. Let us consider the reaction of alkylamine and ammonia with a proton compared to their basicity. Due to electron releasing nature of alkyl group, it pushes electrons towards nitrogen and thus makes the unshared electron pair more available for sharing with proton of the acid. Moreover, the substituted ammonium ion formed from the amine gets stabilized due to dispersal of the positive charge by +I effect of alkyl group. Hence, alkyl amines are stronger bases than ammonia. Thus, the basic nature of aliphatic amines should increase with the increase in number of alkyl groups. This trend is followed in the gaseous phase. The order of basicity of amines in the gaseous phase follows the expected order. Tertiary amine is greater than secondary amine is greater than primary amine is greater than NH3. The trend is not regular in the aqueous state as evident by their pKb values. In the aqueous solution phase, the substituted ammonia cations get stabilized not only by electron releasing effect of the alkyl group +I but also by solvation with water molecules. The greater the size of the ion, lesser will be the solvation and less stabilized is the ion. The order of stability of ions are as follows: decreasing order of extent of hydrogen bonding in water and order of stability of ions by solvation. Greater the stability of a substituted ammonium cation, stronger should be the corresponding amine as a base. Thus, order of basicity of aliphatic amines should be primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary, which is opposed to the inductive based order. Secondly, when the alkyl group is small like CH3 group, there is no steric hindrance to H bonding. In case of alkyl group is bigger than CH3 group, there will be steric hindrance to hydrogen bonding. Therefore, the change of nature of alkyl group from CH3 to C2H5 results in change of the order of basic strength. Thus, there is a subtle interplay of inductive effect, solvation effect and steric hindrances of the alkyl group, which decides the basic strength of alkyl amines in the aqueous state. The order of basic strength in case of methyl substituted amines and methyl substituted amines in aqueous solution is as follows. Aryl amines versus ammonia. pKb value of aniline is quite high. Why is it so? Is it because aniline or other aryl amines, the NH2 group is attached directly to the benzene ring? It results in unshared pair electron on nitrogen to weak conjugation with benzene ring and thus making it less available for protonation. If you write different resonating structures of aniline, you will find that aniline is resonance with hybrid of the following 5 structures. On the other hand, anilinium ion obtained by accepting a proton can have only 2 resonating structures. We know that greater the number of resonating structures, greater stability. Thus, you can infer that aniline is more stable than anilinium ion. Hence, the proton structures is more stable than Hence, the proton acceptability or the basic nature of aniline of other aromatic amines would be less than that of ammonia. In case of substituted aniline, it is observed that electron releasing groups like OCH3, CH3 increase basic strength, whereas electron withdrawing groups like NO2, SO3, HCOH, X decrease it. Alkylation. Amines undergo alkylation on reaction with alkyl halides. Acylation. Aliphatic and aromatic primary and secondary amines react with acid chlorides and hydrides and esters by nucleophilic substitution reaction. This reaction is known as acylation. You can consider this reaction as a replacement of hydrogen atoms of NH2 or NH group by acyl group. The products obtained by acylation reaction known as amides. The reaction is carried out in the presence of a base stronger than the amine like pyridine, which removes HCl so formed and shifts the equilibrium to the right hand side. Amines also react with benzoyl chloride. This reaction is known as benzylation. Mixing amine plus benzoyl chloride gives N-methylbenzylamide plus HCl. What do you think is the product of reaction of amines with carboxylic acids? They form salts with amines at room temperature. Carbylamine reaction. Aliphatic and aromatic primary amines on heating with chloroform ethanolic potassium hydroxide form isocyanides or carbylamines, which are foul smelling substances. Secondary and tertiary amines do not show this reaction. This reaction is known as carbylamine reaction or isocyanide test and is used as a test for primary amines. RNH2 plus CHCl3 plus 3COH on heating gives RNC plus 3KCl plus 3H2O. Reaction with nitrous acid. 3 classes of amines react differently with nitrous acid, which is prepared in situ from a mineral acid and sodium nitrite. Primary aliphatic amines react with nitrous acid to form aliphatic diazonium salts, which is being unstable. Liberate nitrogen gas quantitatively and alcohols. Quantitative evaluation of nitrogen is used in estimation of amino acids and proteins. Aromatic amines react with nitrous acid at lower temperatures to form diazonium salts, a very important class of compounds used for synthesis of variety of aromatic compounds discussed. Secondary and tertiary amines react with nitrous acid in different manner. Reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride, which is also known as Hinsberg's reagent, reacts with primary and secondary amines to form sulfonamides. The reaction of benzene sulfonyl chloride with primary amine yields N-ethyl benzene sulfonylamide. The hydrogen attached to nitrogen in sulfonamide is strongly acidic due to the presence of strong electron withdrawing sulfonyl group. Hence, it is soluble in alkali. In the reaction with secondary amine, N-dimethyl benzene sulfonamide is formed. Since N-dimethyl benzene sulfonamide does not contain any hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen atom, it is not acidic and hence insoluble in alkali. Tertiary amines do not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. This property of amines reacting with benzene sulfonyl chloride is a different manner, is used for distinction of primary, secondary and tertiary amines and also for separation of a mixture of amines. However, these days benzene sulfonyl chloride is replaced with para-toluene sulfonyl chloride. Electrophilic substitution. You have read earlier that aniline is resonance hybrid of 5 structures. Where do you find the maximum electron density in these structures? Ortho and para position due to NH2 group becomes the centers of high electron density. Thus, NH2 group is ortho and para directing and a powerful activating group. Bromination. Aniline reacts with bromine water at room temperature to give white precipitate of 2,4,6 trimon tribromoaniline. The main problem encountered during electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic amines is that of their high reactivity. Substitution tends to occur at ortho and para positions. If we have to prepare monosubstituted aniline derivative, how can the activating effect of NH2 be controlled? This can be done by protecting the NH2 group by acetylation with acetic anhydride, then carrying out the desired substitution followed by hydrolysis of the substituted amide to the substituted amine. The lone pair of electrons on nitrogen of acetaldehyde interacts with oxygen atom due to resonance structure as shown below. Hence, the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen is available for donation to benzene ring by resonance. Therefore, activating effect of NHCOCH3 group is less than that of amino group. Nitration. Direct nitration of aniline yields stereooxidation products in addition to nitro derivatives. Moreover, in the strongly acidic medium, aniline is protonated to form the anilinium ion, which is metadirecting. That is why besides ortho and para directives, significant amount of metaderivative was also found. However, protecting the NH2 group by acetylation reaction with acetic anhydride, the nitration reaction could be controlled and the para-nitro derivative can be obtained as major product. Sulfonation. Aniline reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form aluminium hydrogen sulfate, which on heating with sulfuric acid produces para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid known as sulfanilic acid as the major product. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction due to salt formation with aluminium chloride, Lewis acid, which is used as catalyst. Due to this, nitrogen of aniline acquires positive charge and hence acts as strong deactivating group for further reaction. Diazonium salts. The diazonium salts have general formula Rn2X, where R stands for an aryl group and X ion may be Cl, Br, HSO4, Bf, etc. They are named by suffixing diazonium to the name of the parent hydrocarbon from which they are formed, followed by the name of an ion such as chloride, hydrogen sulfate, etc. The N2 positive group is called diazonium group. For example, C6H5N2Cl is known as benzene diazonium chloride. C6H5N2H4 is known as benzyl diazonium hydrogen sulfate. Primary aliphatic amines form highly stable alkyl diazonium salts. Primary aromatic amines form areninium diazonium salts, which are stable for a short time in solution at low temperatures. The stability of arene diazonium ion is explained on the basis of resonance. Method of preparation of diazonium salts. Benzene diazonium chloride is prepared by the reaction of aniline with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is produced with the reaction mixture by reaction of sodium nitrite with hydrochloric acid. The conversion of primary aromatic amines into diazonium salt is known as diazotization due to its stability. The diazonium salt is not generally stored and is used immediately after its preparation. Physical properties. Benzene diazonium chloride is a colorless crystalline solid. It is readily soluble in water and is stable in cold but reacts with water when warmed. It decomposes easily in the dry state. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate is water insoluble and stable at room temperature. The reaction of diazonium salts can be broadly divided into two categories, namely reaction involving displacement of nitrogen and reaction involving retention of diazo group. Reaction involving displacement of nitrogen. Diazonium group being a very good leaving group, which is substituted by other groups such as Cl, Br, I, Cn and OH, which displace nitrogen from aromatic ring. The nitrogen formed escapes from the reaction mixture as a gas. Replacement by halide cyanide ion. The Cl negative, Br negative and Cn negative nucleophiles can easily be introduced into the benzene ring in the presence of copper 1 ion. This reaction is called Sand-Midday reaction. Alternatively, chlorine or bromine can also be introduced in the benzene ring in treating diazonium salt solution with corresponding halogen acid in the presence of copper powder. This is referred as Gattermann reaction. The yield in the Sand-Midday reaction is found to be better than in Gattermann reaction. Replacement by iodide ion. Iodine is not easily introduced in the benzene ring directly, but when diazonium salt solution is treated with potassium iodide as a benzene, iodobenzene is formed. Replacement by fluoride ion. When arene diazonium chloride is replaced with treated with fluoroboric acid, arene diazonium fluorobatate is precipitated, which on heating decomposes to yield aryl fluoride. Replacement by hydrogen. Certain mild reducing agents like hypophosphorus acid or ethanol reduce diazonium salt to arenes and themselves get oxidized to phosphorus acid and ethanol. Replacement by hydroxyl group. If the temperature of the diazonium salt solution is allowed to rise up to 283 Kelvin, the salt gets hydrolyzed to phenol. Replacement by NO2 group. Diazonium fluoroborate is heated with aqueous sodium nitrite solution in the presence of copper. Diazonium group is replaced by NO2 group. Reaction involving retention of diazo group. Coupling reactions. Diazo products obtained as extended conjugate system have both aromatic rings joined through N double bond N bond. These compounds are often colored and are used as dyes. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with phenol, in which phenol molecule is its para position is coupled with diazonium salt to form para-hydroxyazobenzene. This type of reaction is known as coupling reaction. Similarly, the reaction of diazonium salt with aniline yields para-aminobenzene. This is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Importance of diazonium salts in synthesis of aromatic compounds. From the above reaction, it is clear that the diazonium salts are very good intermediates for the introduction of FCl, Br, I, Cn, OH, NO2 groups into the aromatic ring. Aryl fluorides and iodides cannot be prepared by direct halogenation. The cyano group cannot be introduced by nucleophilic substitution of chlorine and chlorobenzene, but cyanobenzene can be easily obtained from diazonium salt. Thus, the replacement of diazo group by other groups is helpful in preparing those substituted aromatic compounds which cannot be prepared by direct substitution in benzene or substituted benzene. Summary: amines can be considered as derivatives of ammonia obtained by replacement of hydrogen atoms with alkyl or aryl groups. Replacement of one hydrogen atom of ammonia gives rise to structure of type RNH2 known as primary amine. Secondary amine are characterized by the structure R2NH or RNHR- and tertiary amines by R3N, RNR-R or R2NR-. Secondary and tertiary amines are known as simple amines if the alkyl or aryl groups are the same, and mixed amines if the groups are different. Like ammonia, all the three types of amines have one unshared electron pair on nitrogen atom, due to which they have a Lewis base. Amines are usually found from nitro compounds, halides, amides. They exhibit hydrogen bonding which influence their physical properties. In alkyl amines, a combination of electron releasing steric and hydrogen bonding factors influence the stability of substituted ammonium cations in protic polar solvents and thus affect the basic nature of amines. Alkyl amines are found to be stronger bases than ammonia. In aromatic amines, electron releasing and withdrawing groups respectively increase and decrease their basic character. Aniline is a weaker base than ammonia. Reaction of amines are governed by the availability of unshared electron on nitrogen, influence of the number of hydrogen atoms on at nitrogen atom on the type of reaction and nature of product is responsible for identification and distinction between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Para-toluene sulfonyl chloride is used for identification of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Presence of amino group in aromatic ring enhances reactivity of aromatic amines. The reactivity of aromatic amines can be controlled by acylation process, that is by treating with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. Tertiary amines like trimethylamine are used as insect attractants. Iridoxonium salt, usually obtained from aryl amines, undergo replacement of diazonium group with a variety of nucleophiles to provide advantageous methods for producing aryl halides, cyanides, phenols and arenes by reductive removal of diazo group. Coupling reaction of aryl diazonium salts with phenols or aryl amines give rise to the formation of azo dyes.